tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. But when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another DIY glam project. Today I'm doing a DIY floral window. I hope you enjoy. Guys, here is where your girl Shell stores most of her home decor. In my garage, I have a number of canvases that I swap around in my home and ones that I use for DIY projects. While searching for a canvas for my DIY project, I turned this one over and noticed that it was in the shape of a window and it was perfect for what I had in mind. Taking a pair of scissors, I removed the staples from the canvas and then took off the canvas itself. I was so excited with what I was left with, the perfect shape of a window. To start my project, I took my favourite silver spray paint and I gave this 2 coats. Once it was completely dry, I wanted to cover the entire window in flowers. These faux flowers that I pick up off eBay were the perfect addition, and I started to hot glue them around the entire window. I continued on until I'd placed the white flowers over the entire window. Now guys, I wanted to add a little thickness to the frame of this window. Now I'd run out of white flowers, so I took these pink foam flowers and I hot glued them around the inside of the frame. Now, as pretty as these were, I wanted these to be all silver, so I took them outside and gave them 2 coats of that silver spray paint. Once they were completely dry, I wanted to give my little window some curtains. I picked up this beautiful fabric from Spotlight recently with Eiffel Towers, and I knew it would be perfect for what I had in mind. When using fabric, I always love to iron my fabric first. Don't you wanna see what this could be? I turned the fabric over, and what I'm doing here, guys, is just overlapping a couple of times and hot gluing it to the very top. I then repeated the same steps at the bottom, and then I pulled it all together to make it look like one curtain. Off camera, I tied it in place at the back with some ribbon. Now I wanted to make a wreath for my window, and I found this fretwork from Spotlight recently. I took it outside and spray painted it black and decided that I'd want to make a design in the middle. I took this dollar store glitter foam and tracing a circle for the middle, I cut it out and hot glued it in place.
Heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away.
I also had a sheet of this black glitter foam. I took a Chanel logo from a previous project and used that as a template and cut it out. Then taking some hot glue, I glued the Chanel logo to the centre. I then also hot glued it to the centre of my window. And here is my DIY flower window. I'm so happy with how it came.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine.
Guys, I wanted to say thank you for being so patient with me in waiting on a new video while I had a little rest from YouTube. I'm feeling a lot better, guys, and I'm hoping to bring you more videos very soon.
It's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in
I absolutely love that I shopped my home for this DIY project. Who knew that by taking an existing canvas that I already had, there would be a beautiful magic window from behind.
all of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me.
I had a little aha moment when I decided I wanted to do a DIY window. I love seeing the farmhouse windows that are out there, guys, but there wasn't a glam one, and I'm proud to say that I was able to create something unique for you guys to recreate in your homes.
I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine.
These beautiful foam flowers from eBay are an inexpensive addition that you could have in your home. I like to collect bags of these, guys, so that when I need to make a project, they're handy and they're there. And I love the fact that I was able to spray paint these to the colour of my choice.
All of the things that I wish I
This DIY project could certainly take on so many different variations. You could change the colour of the flowers, the curtains, and possibly a different logo to the centre, or maybe your favourite wreath. The possibilities are endless, guys, and it's entirely up to you. Just follow my simple instructions and you'll be able to create your own unique piece for your home.
I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. Ooh, there's something about you, I wish you were mine.
Using the same method, I did this DIY floral perfume bottle. I'll leave a link to that video for you down below.
I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at making your very own DIY glam flower window.
Say I love you. You don't know how I shiver.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Michelle and I am Shell's Glam Home. I'd really love for you to join my family here and follow me along as I share simple and inexpensive ways to decorate your home's glam.
Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, this way you touch my hand.
So if you could take a small moment of your time to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
And all the things that you do, sounds like a fool 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do